WOE, the manufacturing platform for the world's largest Type C cargo tanks. Watts Offshore and Engineering, which is located in Qidong, Jiangsu province, is a joint venture invested in by Watts Gallup and Jakar Holdings. WOE focuses on construction of very large LPG, LEG, LNG gas carrier tanks and offshore modules, and is equipped with tailor-made and advanced facilities for the world's largest Type C cargo tank construction. WOE can also build small and medium-sized fully pressurized type and semi-refrigerated and semi-pressurized type cargo tanks. We are capable of manufacturing the world's largest Type C tanks, which are customized for the world's first 85,000 cubic meter VLEC. This type of single tank has a capacity up to 23,000 cubic meter. With the steel construction weight of 1,800 tons, it adopts the world's most advanced Tri-Lobe design. Compared with the traditional Bi-Lobe tank design, it offers 20% more loading capacity. The structure construction process of the tank includes the steel plate pretreatment, cutting, cylindrical shell and head clod forming, structure assembly, block erection and folding. The major block construction of the tank, which is completed in the workshop, is 42 meters wide with 27.5 meters lifting height. According to the features of Tri-Lobe tank, WOE adopts post-weld heat treatment for the tri-wide joint insert, which reduces the welding residual stress and ensures welding quality for the complex tri-wide joint. Meanwhile, with the wide applications of automatic horizontal and vertical welding systems, the construction efficiency of the tank will be improved tremendously. One cargo tank contains 3 major blocks. After the completion of major blocks in the workshop, the 3 blocks are moved to the external erection platform by self-propelled modular transporter and turned over by the 1,000-ton gantry crane to finish the final folding. Then the tank will perform hydrostatic test on special test platform with 25,000 tons loading weight in total. Following coating and insulation works, the 31-meter high tank will be barged to the shipyard for final installation into VLEC. Successful construction of huge tanks for 85,000 cubic meter VLEC will make WOE the manufacturing platform for the world's largest Type C cargo tanks, as well as one of the major cornerstones for Jakar to build the maritime gas Silk Road. Watts Offshore and Engineering. Reliability, efficiency, expertise.